Alright folks, how we doing? It's be an unboxing video. Don't we all love those type of videos? This is the Hollyland Lark 150 Duo. It's a two-person microphone system. Shout out to my buddy Eric. He actually picked this thing up in the States and gave it a thumbs up. And you know what? When he was here, this thing wasn't available on Lazada. But he picked it up in the States, said it's good to go. I checked on Lazada and boom, now Hollyland has a flagship store. They had the thing in stock and now I got my hands on it. The biggest thing in video is audio. The video is easy. The audio is it's a challenge. So hopefully this is going to help me out. Let me get a knife and cut the little strips on the back and we'll continue. There we go. So now it should lift right off. Is this a legitimate product? Well, you have to be concerned with stuff like that. I'm here in the Philippines, but no, it's legitimate. They have a flagship store. Nice little padded right there for everybody who loves looking at boxes. Alright, she's got an after sales card here. Whatever that's about. Got a nice little user guide. And just a few pages, various languages. And here we go. That is too damn cool. That's the case right there. Everything fits in the case. Alright, there we go. Now this does have a USB-C, so it's up with the times on the technology. Nothing of this old shit. I can't stand that old shit, folks. My eyes aren't good. I don't know which way to put it in. Why does the world not go to this USB-C now? There you go. Open it up. Man, I gotta get the lighting right. I guess because it's blocking. There you go. Maybe I'll turn it upside down. That's a receiver. 2 transmitters right there. Absolutely too cool. Wow. Absolutely too cool. Maybe I should put more light so you can see this better. How about I bump up the gain a bit? Boom, boom. There you go. A little grainy, but maybe you can see it better. That thing is light. Oh yeah, those things weigh absolutely nothing. Too cool. And they say they're, yep, have a magnet and they just kind of snap in there. What's this right here? This is the carrying case. Not the carrying case, it's a bag with the external microphones and the cables. Alright, so we've got one USB-A to USB-C cable. We've got one, what is that, TRS to TRS cable. Open this bad boy up. Oh, there we go. There's the dead cats. And the way he said the dead cats go, it's just a little plastic thing that snaps down into, it just snaps into the, just like that. I'll figure it out in a minute, make sure I'm not messing something up. Okay, get this dude here. And this should be the lapel mics. It actually comes with 2 lapel mics. There we go. I just threw the little, oh, it comes with two extra dead cats. That's actually a good thing. Alright, get the trash out of the way. Folks, there you go. 2 extra dead cats for the 2 lapel mics. All the cables you need. This thing is set up, ready to go. My goodness, what a great deal. I already messed up. I reached deeper in the bag, and it does come with a TRS to TRRS. So they got you hooked up on everything, ready to go. You're going to need this cable right here if you're going to plug it into an iPhone. Okay, now you got to pull this plastic off of it for it to charge. If you hit the mute button, it'll tell you what the charge is. I hit it, it didn't tell me. I'm like, what the hell's going on? Oh, you got to pull the plastic off. It's not going to charge. It's not going to make contact. until you pull the plastic off. I'm an idiot, so you got to reach in there and pull all the plastic off. Pretty simple. Alright, so I got the thing plugged in. You can see it's charging the case. You just push this mute button right here, and it shows you everything's in the green except for the case. Alright folks, so this is the first audio test with this Hollyland Lark. And you got to play with it, which camera you got to set the output on the transmitter, and then what's coming into your camera. What I did on this camera here, I put it on a 6 on that transmitter, and I put it 6 from the left on this Sony. Now every camera is going to be different. I'm shooting on a AX100, FDR AX100, old Sony camcorder, but it's too easy. I mean, when you put them in the case, they pair. When you take them out, they automatically turn on. So, I mean, I just took them out, they're on, they're going. That is so easy. Now look, I have a Sennheiser system that's about, I don't know, 10 years old. It's a great system. However, it doesn't work that easy. There's too many steps to get the thing going. So if you're in a studio or you're doing a shoot all day, okay, you can get those things going. I don't have time for that because I'm always on the go. I got 2 kids, I got 2 Filipinos here driving me crazy. It takes time for me to set those professional microphones up with, I don't want to pull it out, because if I pull that thing out, well, you know what, let's do a test. As soon as I pull this thing out here, it's paired. So it should be getting, I've got it set on mono, so both of these mics are coming into both channels. It's already paired, it's up and running. So say I want to stick this on one of my ladies, I just clip it on her shirt right there. Now look, this is a very thin wool shirt. See, I just put it back in there in the case, it's charging and it's off. I didn't touch anything. It's a very thin wool shirt. You can see it pulls down just a little bit, but it's so light on anything else, it's not going to pull your t-shirt down. You're only seeing that because this thing is like paper thin. It's merino wool. On anything else, this thing is so light, you're not even going to notice it's there. I don't even notice that it's there. So this is taking out all those steps to getting to quality audio that you just pull it out of the case, mount it on your camera, plug it in, and it goes to work. So far I'm digging it, but I have not put it through the paces. And yeah, you can watch all these reviews on YouTube where people do an unboxing, they play with the gadget for 30 minutes or an hour, and it's a review. It's not really a review. Yeah, they're gonna show you what it looks like and the specs and all that, but I have to reserve my judgment until I've used this piece of gear for 20, 30 videos, and I'll tell you whether I really like it or not. Because right now I don't know if the audio is gonna have a hiss, is it gonna lose connection? I don't know anything about it. But shout out to my buddy Eric. He took the beach on this one, picked it up, he said it's a great piece of gear. So, so far I'm in agreement. Now, here's the big question, and this is funny because DJI just came out with a mic that looks eerily similar to the Hollyland Lark 150, except it's got a touch screen. Now, when companies send out, pre-release products for all these YouTubers to review, right? They'll pit it, the DJI versus Rode, DJI versus this. I was looking and I didn't see not one review where these pre-release guys, DJI versus Hollyland. So apparently they look the same. Did Hollyland copy DJI? Did DJI copy Hollyland? Are they the same damn company? Who the hell knows? But there was something in that clause when they handed out those free test products that said you can't pit it against the Hollyland Lark. I don't know what's going on. If this is the same quality as DJI, the reason that I like the Hollyland better already is because it has physical knobs. Those physical knobs and buttons. And I'm an old school player. I prefer physical knobs and buttons over a damn touch screen. Because if it's dark or if you're not looking at it, If you're back here trying to adjust something, you can't adjust it without a button or something that's tactile. You have to physically look at a touch screen. And so, everything else equal, I'll take the form factor of the Hollyland Lark 150 because it's got damn buttons and dials. Damn. Do I even have a microphone? I don't even feel it on my shirt. I mean, I know it's, like I said, this thing is paper thin. Is it even dragging it down? Maybe a little bit. But so far, this may be the solution I've been looking for.